I was sent this electric toothbrush for my review, and we are going to try it out for the very first time. So it comes in this really nice box, and this is what it looks like. This is the actual toothbrush. It definitely has one of my favorite features I haven't seen before, and I'm going to tell you what it is in just a minute. It comes with this right here. So this is what you would attach to the wall. I'm not sure if it's meant to come with any kind of like 3M tape or anything. Mine did not, but I'll be able to get that super easily. And then you would put that up on your wall, and so you'd have that wherever you want it, and then this is just kind of magnetized, so that would sit there, and then you would just grab your toothbrush and go. I think that is really cool. It of course also comes with the charging cable, which is important, but my favorite part is the fact that it has a lid or cap over the toothbrush. A lot of times you'll see like the little piece just covering the head, but I love that it covers the whole part, because I mean, a bunch of this gets in your mouth as well. So I think that is really cool. Makes it, you know, if you want to travel, grab it and go, nice and easy. So really simple to use. You've got your power on button. I just took this right out of the box, and it does have some charge. And then down here, you can just filter through the different functions. You've got clean, you've got white, sensitive, massage, and gum care. And then it has the 3 different speeds as well, so we can go through that. So this is the most powerful. I have really sensitive teeth, so I'm just going to go on number 1, and then we are going to so clean, white, and we're going to go on sensitive. So normally I wouldn't have it already started before I put the toothpaste in the water on there. I usually start it when it's in my mouth, but we're just going to go with it and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and wet that, and let's see how that feels. So definitely need to step up the which is good to know. There we go. Number 3. Right here. Oh, those are nice. Okay, so number 3, as I said, I have sensitive teeth, but even with having sensitive teeth, I don't need to be on number 1. It is really, really gentle, which is really nice. So if your teeth, because I know mine are sensitive, but they're not super sensitive. So the fact that I could go on level 3, I think is really good, and it feels like totally normal, feels nice and clean. Yeah, and it's really nice and light in my hand. It feels really good. I mean, I only brushed for a couple seconds, but I kind of already feel like I've got that whole mouth clean. Definitely going to be a new favorite of mine.